This professional diploma provides learners with the hands-on experience and practical skills necessary for software developers to understand, build, and deploy modern AI applications in customer-facing projects. So this online program is designed to accommodate the needs of those who are in full-time employment and want to upskill themselves with AI in the evolving tech landscape.
AI skills are increasingly needed in industry, and software developers are finding that they increasingly need to interact with or implement AI as part of their job. To do this, they need to be able to reason about the complexity, the resource utilization of these AI models in the same way they would any other algorithm.
Graduates of this program will be equipped with in-demand AI skills. Furthermore, these professional diploma in AI and practical skills software developers opens the door
to the diverse career pathways across various industries.